Yeah, welcome back to my channel and I'm Kayphew, yeah, Phew. So, in this video I will make a tutorial about Hypercut. Yes, Hypercut car like car and Hypercut people who running Hypercut motorcycle like this one. And actually I've made a tutorial about Hypercut too, like people walking. And you can watch it too and click link in the top of this video. But in that video I use Indonesian language. And actually in this video right now, in this tutorial, I will make the same thing like I did before, but this video I will make with English language because many viewers who watching my videos tutorial on the first Hypercut I've made, many people comment like, please use English language, I don't understand what do you speak. So here it is, I use English language. And in this video I will make with English language, but it's the same way like the first Hypercut video. Like I will teach you with a basic thing. Basic is very important. And then the first video of Hypercut I make like the walking people has to move from place to place and they had to change the clothes. Like you need for different clothes and you need for different place. Okay, but in this video I will make a Hypercut car. Okay, to save the time we will go straight to the tutorial. But before that, we intro first. Chat, let's go to the intro. Alright, the first step, you have to determine a place and you have to need a camera, and you can use your cell phone or mirrorless camera or DSLR camera. And one more thing important, you have to use a tripod. Yes, you need to use a tripod. If everything is done, we will go straight to the place where we will record the video. Yes, we will record the video, not a photo. In my advice, you should find a place that a little crowded, like passing vehicles or people who running or walking in the street. And I took this video in front of the Bogor Palace, and I was on the side of the road, and we just used a camera and a tripod to directly record the car or record the objects that move, such as people running or people walking. Yeah, just like that. After that, you just record the video, and then I usually record video about 5 to 10 minutes. And maybe some of you have asked me like, why do we record the video, not take a photo? So the reason is so that it is not difficult for us to take a photo one of a vehicle, and also that the camera shutter count is not too much. Yep, that's the reason why I was just recorded it, so that later we will directly process the editing, and after you take the video we just go to laptop. Okay, if you have finished a recording and you immediately open the Premiere Pro. Usually I use the Premiere Pro to editing. I'm here using a Premiere Pro CC 2019. After that you just drop the video file that you recorded earlier to Premiere Pro. Okay, after that we continue to the second step. After you drop the video to Premiere Pro, you drop the video into your timeline. And here I use the sequence for Instagram feeds or reels. For the size of the sequence I use 1920 to 1080, and the frame rate I use 30 fps. After that, you have to take a screenshot of one of the video that you took earlier, and the screenshot goes through the Premiere Pro so we can get to which part we will use. And don't forget the tips here. I use the rule to make easier for me when I screenshot the videos. Rules and guides. For example, here I use a rule in the middle where I fit the tires and the roof of the car. After that, I took a screenshot of all the car in the video according to the rules and guides we set earlier. For example, like this one. For another, like people running, you can use the rule to foot, and then the top of the rule is the head of people running. Okay, so it's very easy, right? Because that's the basic of Hypercut. If you know the basic first, you can do everything whatever you want. So you can decide where the rules is. But I always use the middle. If you have everything, you re-enter the screenshot file earlier into Premiere Pro. After that, you block all the picture and you right-click on the picture and select speed duration and set to 0.1, which means each photo is one frame, single frame. Yeah. Okay, we go to the next step. The third step here is that you can be creative whatever you want to add to the video or to your Hypercut, or what effect you want to use. And also here I just the videos I make with music and sound effect. Okay, next you combine the result of the screenshot earlier so that it's easier for you to nest. Block all the picture and right click and select nest. You can adjust it to the song you are using, or you can adjust the speed your video with the song. I will also down the video if the beat is not too fast, and when the music beat is fast I will also speed up the feed of the video. Okay, so it's very easy, right? It's done. It's very easy, isn't it? So this is the basic if you want to make a Hypercut video. If you follow the 3 steps that we have used earlier, surely you can make it nearly like me. Okay, after that here I usually add a glitch effect and also a scribble in After Effects. You can also use any effect according to your creation or your imagination. Okay, so it's finished. This is the end of the result. If you can export directly like you usually export, here I will use adaptive high bitrate format. You just click OK, so you're done. Yeah, just like that. Okay, we're back to the studio. Let's go. Okay, how about that? It's very easy, right? So the only thing you need to do is you have to know the basic. The first thing you need to do, you have to know the basic of this Hypercut video. If you understand the basic, actually you can make something with your imagine. And one more thing, if you follow the 3 steps I did before, like you have to follow the 3 steps I've made, surely you can make nearly like me, because everyone can make this Hypercut video like I did. That's very easy. So if you make this Hypercut video and then you post to the Instagram or TikTok, don't forget to tag me on my Instagram k.wey. And don't forget to use hashtag Kayphew. Okay, so that's enough for this tutorial, and I hope you all understand. And don't forget to share this video to your friends. Don't forget to like this video, this tutorial. And if you are still confused, you can write a comment down below. Okay? And don't forget to follow my Instagram. Cukup sampai di sini aja. Gimana tuh? So yeah, that's it. We're done. And I'm Kayphew. See you next time. Bye bye.